It took me 1 year to know the basic principles and concepts of OSI modern. As you know, networking is the bedrock of cybersecurity, and in as much as networking is the fundamental root of cybersecurity, OSI model is also the fundamental root of networking. So you can't run away from it. You must face it squarely, or else you run away from cybersecurity. Pata, run, come out. In this video, I'm going to teach you the basic concept of OSI model. In one of my videos, I talk about OSI model. OSI model means open system interconnection. You see, around the 1960s, when technology was still growing, different companies started producing electronic computer devices. And one problem at that time was that if this company is producing Samsung phone and another company is producing itel phone, if you buy Samsung phone, you cannot put a call across someone that is using itel or iPhone. And if you buy an iPhone, you cannot send message to someone that is using a Samsung phone. So that was a peculiar problem at that time. So around the 1970s, where people came together and decided that we will build a platform technology that will make our devices communicate to each other in order for us to grow faster. And that was when OSI model was given birth. Now, OSI model was found by an organization called International Organization for Standardization. So the OSI model consists of 7 layers. The first one is the application layer. The second one is the presentation layer. The third one is the session layer. The fourth one is the transport layer. The fifth one is the network layer. The sixth one is the data link layer. And the last one, which is the 7th one, is the physical layer. So let's see how they work. So now let's look at this non-technical analogy. Obina, an Igbo man, opens a business and he doesn't hear any other language except Igbo. Then Obina can employ in general manager. In general manager name na Balogun. Balogun, they hear different languages. So Obina can create a document, maybe a document of 400 pages, and he wants to send and give to another company for China, where they follow do partnership business with. So Obina no other language, so he can write everything in this document inside Igbo language. The Chinese people, where Obina want to give them this document, they know they hear any other language. They know they hear Igbo, not Chinese, then they speak. Now Obina carry this 400-page document, can give in general manager Balogun. Balogun can look at it, look at the document, can translate the document from Igbo language, can come English language. As he finish the translation, translate them inside English language. He carry the document, hand it over to Kunle, which is the HR. So as Kunle don't they collect this document, they don't already tell Kunle, say, take this document. This document is a confidential document. Nobody should see it. Make it private. So Kunle will come take this document, come make call that Chinese company, tell them, say, how far my company wants send document, can't give una. Say when I ready to receive them, the company will send another request, come say yes, we are ready to receive it, or the company will keep quiet based on technical issue. So once the company don't send reset back, say yes, we are ready to receive it, Kunle go carry this document, hand it over to Mr. Tengu. So once Tengu don't receive this document, Tengu don't already know, say this document is confidential. So instead of sending this document at once, Tengu first segment this document from package 1, package 2, package 3, package 4, package 5. Why? Because if you send this document at once, this document too plenty, it go heavy, it go take time before this document go arrive that company. So then we can segment and they send them one by one after the other, so that the work goes small. And again, if one of those documents go lost for road, now only one go lost, then go get another one. But if they send them at once, if you go lost, now everything there go lost. So Tengu don't segment this thing, break them into different segments. They send batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, batch 4, and batch 5, based on how the document take be. After that, as Tengu don't segment this thing in different batch, he carry and can give for in different batches. So as Aondufa don't collect the document where Tengu don't break am give am, he don't collect this document in different segmentations. So Tengu don't know say no be him go take flight from Nigeria go China go deliver this message. No be him go do am. So he first carry that first fragmentation, write the address of that company where they want go deliver, carry this one, write address, carry this one, write address, carry this one, write address. As he write all the address finish, so that the person where they help them go deliver this message go they look them one by one, they pick the address one by one, they look am, he no go confuse. Then Aondufa don finish writing the address, carry the document, don hand over to Eze. So once Eze don collect the document wey Aondufa don hand over to him, Eze don already put a stamp that cover all the documents, seal am well so that nobody go tamper with this document, and if anybody tamper with this document they go know. So he don seal am, put plaster, put tamper proof on it, then carry this document hand over to Kabiru. Kabiru come carry this, receive this document. As they don seal am finish, they don tell Kabiru say take this document go give it to the company wey dey China. Maybe the name of the company na Jinshen. So fine, now Kabiru don carry this document go deliver for the receptionist of this company for China, for that Jinshen company. As he reach there, the receptionist first collect this document. As he collect this document, he carry am give another person wey dey on top him. Now the person where the receptionist carry this document go give am, he get power like Eze. He and Eze na the same power they get from different company. He come comot the seal, comot the tamper proof where Eze don put for the other company. He don comot the seal, comot am for all the seals where they there. He carry am give another person wey be oga on top, wey get power like Aondufa. So the person wey get power like Aondufa, as he receive this document, he first check the address where they there, where Aondufa don write from the other company. He confirm say yes, the address where they write on this company na the real address, na our address stay on top this company. Now as he don confirm the address finish, he carry this document go give another person wey dey on top, wey be oga, wey dey on top, wey get power like Tengu. So once the other person don receive the document, he first remove the envelope wey dey on top. He join every document together. That place where they segment and come check am. When he come reach in turn, he come join this document together, make the document as one again, and send it back to another oga wey get power like Kule. So Kule don receive the documents where they don comot the envelope finish. He check whether all the documents wey they give them e complete. Na 400 they send am because they know wetin dem dey expect. So if na 400 document pages, he don confirm say the document wey they don receive, wey they arrive, na 400 pages document. As he don confirm finish, he don disconnect the connection between this company and the company wey Obinna get. He disconnect. So as he disconnect, he carry the document go give Balogun, another department wey dey like Balogun. As Balogun for this company receive this document, they first translate am back from English wey Balogun translate back. They translate am from English go Chinese. As they translate am back to Chinese language, he carry this document go give oga patapata wey dey here, wey own the Jinshen company. That one collect the document and then display it. So basically that is how everything works on the internet. So now in a technical way, Obinna is like the application layer. The application layer consists of things like the Chrome, the Firefox, the Windows Explorer, things like Facebook, things like Gmail, and the rest of them. They are the ones that hold this application, this layer. They use different protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, SNMP, FTP, and the rest to deliver message and share data across the internet. The second person in the company, which is Balogun, is just like a presentation layer. A presentation layer, or as Mr. Balogun received these files and then translate it in English, the presentation layer takes this document or takes the input you make on the application and then convert it to computer readable language. You know, human beings can read A, B, C, D. while computers read just two languages, which is zeros and ones in binaries. So the presentation layer receives this in human readable language and then converts it to computer readable language, which is the binaries, and then hand it over to the session layer. So presentation layer uses protocols like source.mp3, file.doc, file.pdf. So Kunle is just like a session layer. When Kunle received this document, he first of all put a call across that company and tell the company that how far our company wants send document. Are you ready to receive it? And the company sent him a notification, say yes, we are ready to receive it. And Kunle then already tell the company that we are sending 400 pages of document. So the company is away. So a session layer is just like it takes the document and then encrypts it. It encrypts it, make sure that it's well secured, and send a message to those people and tell that people that this is the kind of document we are going to send. Now, the process of sending this document passing around people, and one of those packages lost. The company should be aware that no, this is not what we are expecting. We were expecting 400, while we received 200. So it is part of the Kunle or the sessions layer to make sure that all those packets that are sent have safely arrived and they are encrypted intact. So the next one is the transportation layer, and the transportation layer is doing the work of Tengu. In this example we said, when Tengu received the package, Tengu decided to fragmentate this package into different smaller packages, so that if they send this message at once, it will be too heavy for the system to carry it. So Tengu decided to break it down in smaller packages. So that is what the transportation layer did. The transportation layer breaks down the data on the internet into smaller particles. Let's take an example. If you are browsing on youtube.com and you want to download a file that takes 1 gig, that 1 gig, if the 1 gig enter at once, it will slow down the system, hang your phone, hang the server, hang the transport routes. So what this transportation layer do is that instead of transferring that 1 gig at once, it will break it and be transporting it 100 megabytes until it reach the amount of 1 gigabyte. So the second thing that the transportation layer do is that the transportation layer makes sure that if any package get lost along the way, there is another backup plan to fill it back, so that it will make sense. Imagine you are expecting a message from someone and the person send you, hello, please come by 5 p.m. and you receive, hello, come. So by 5 p.m. get lost, you will not get the meaning. So the transportation layer makes sure that the remaining packets that are lost on the way, they recover it, put it back and resend it back, so that the message will go assembled at the other point and then complete it. The third thing that the transportation layer do is that the transportation layer makes sure that data travels on the best route. For example, there are different routes and nodes, internet nodes, where data travels on. So if they discover that this line is having a congested traffic, they will rather use a transport layer. We just decide to use another route to take this information. The second thing that the transportation layer do is that if it discovers that this layer or this route taken by this protocol is longer, the transportation layer may decide to choose the route that is best and is shorter for these packets to be traveled quickly and efficiently. So the basic protocols on this transport layer is the TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, and the UDP, User Data Protocols. So the TCP is what most of the web browsers, whether Google Chrome, Firefox, a lot of them uses nowadays. So the network layer is doing the work of Andufa. Remember, when Andufa received this document, Andufa decided to write the address, the receiver's address, where those people are going to pick it back. So the network layer received the data and then put the address, the destination address, where those packets are going to be delivered. And they use some protocols like IP. That is the most popular protocols within the network layer. They use IP. Every device has an IP address. That is to say, on a network, or all network have IP address. So on a network has an IP address So if they are sending this address or this package to this network, it will get to that destination, and that network already knows the number of devices that are connected on that network. So the network router will then send this document to the destination device. So the data link layer is doing the work of Eze on the network. Remember, when Eze received his package, he then add and package those packages, seal it so that if any of those packages are tampered with, it will show and it will be obvious, and then he'll send it to Kabiru. And finally, the physical layer is doing the work of Kabiru. When Kabiru received this package, Kabiru then sent it to the ginseng company. So the physical address received the package and then use the binary format to send this data across the other network. It uses things like the internet cable, optical cable, and the rest. So once this data is being sent to the other company receives this data from the physical layer, from their ethernet cable, and from there they transfer it to their data link. From there they transfer it to their network layer, transfer it to their transport layer, doing the same work, transport it to their session layer, and finally transfer them to their application layer. And this data is now displayed on the screen or on the interface of the other user. If you have watched this video to this point, it therefore means that you are interested in cybersecurity, and I will urge you to please give it a thumbs up for more updates. See you in my next video.